If you want to hard reset your Motorola Edge 70 by going to recovery mode, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. So we can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then we need to power off our phone. We need to wait for the phone to completely shut down, and once that happens, you want to press and hold power button and volume down. We need to hold these two buttons, and we need to keep holding these two buttons until we are in this fast boot mode. So once you see this screen, then we can use volume buttons in order to choose the recovery mode. So you need to keep pressing one of these two buttons until you finally find the recovery mode, and press the power button in order to confirm your choice. We will see the hello moto screen for a second, and then we will see the no command screen. There we go. And in order to proceed, we need to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press the volume up. So I'm gonna press power and then press the volume up. There we go. And as you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. Once again, use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. You need to select wipe data / factory reset, and then confirm by pressing the power button. And then over here, just go to factory data reset, and that should be it. If you go back after that to the main menu of the recovery mode, then you have to reboot system in order to restart your phone, and you will be back into the initial configuration after that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.